Hi, today we're talking about bakery products order form. This is a simple order form where bakery products can be ordered. So basically, you will see that we have got some few necessary fields like the product's name, the payment method, any instructions, order type, delivery date and time, customer details, phone number, email, and all this basic stuff. So basically, with the use of this form, you can keep track of all the products that are being ordered for the bakery business. Once all the details are filled in, you can see in the responses side, a response is submitted and the response will be captured over here. So how exactly will this work? Just go to the form builder, click on share form, click on copy form link, make sure all the fields on the top are enabled. Just copy the link of this form and expose this link to the prospective person who is going to fill out this form. So once the user sees this form, they will be able to fill out the form instantly. So let us wait for a few seconds as the form is loading, and then we will be able to fill up the form for our use case. So you can see it is showing the product details. I'm just going to randomly fill in some of the stuff so that we get a taste of how exactly it works. So let me quickly fill out some of the details. It's all entirely customizable and editable from your own end. This is just a sample template file for your reference. You can obviously choose to edit all the stuff that is relevant for you, and you can make changes as and when you wish to do so. Okay. So I've randomly filled in some of the details over here. I'm going to click on submit. As I do that, you can see the response has now been submitted. And if I go back to the responses side of things, you can see the response got captured over here on the top. Okay. So this is very simple and easy to use form builder, which can obviously be customized and editable from your end. So besides this, I also want to talk about a new tool, that is PDF output. PDF output is a tool that can help you generate PDF documents in bulk. For this, it utilizes a Notion page, which acts as the source of the template file, and a Notion database, which has all the contents in the database that would be replaced on the Notion database on the Notion page to generate PDF documents. So basically, you need to provide a Notion page and a Notion database for this entire tool to work. Okay, I've added a video of how you can do the same with invoices. So basically, you can watch this video to understand how you can generate bulk invoices, and you can replicate this process for any documents for your personal or commercial use cases. If you have any questions or any queries, please reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com, and please do check out PDF output for your use case. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.